Your canvas print first starts at the press. Then an operator uses a scope to check the print for any sort of defects and color accuracy. Next, the canvas goes to a profile cutter where an operator accurately and squarely cuts the canvas to the exact appropriate size. Next, the canvas is laid down on a carpeted surface to protect the image, and a frame is grabbed from framing inventory, then perfectly squarely lined up on our unique profiling and squaring square at the back of the canvas. Next, the operator walks over to our StretchMaster Pro Series and lines it up perfectly. This pneumatic stretcher assures that your canvases are stretched to the perfect pressures every single time. Next, the operator uses a calibrated pneumatic staple gun with special leg staples to staple the canvas down to the frame. Next, the operator completes the left side of the canvas. Now the operator releases the canvas from the stretcher frame. Now back at another table, the operator preps the canvas for a gallery wrap, which we use a special cutting technique along with canvas shears to complete. Next, the operator folds over the cut canvas over the other side of the canvas stretching bar in preparation for the next stapling sequence. Next, the operator brings the canvas back over to the stretching system in preparation for stapling the last two sides of the canvas. Then finally, the last side is stapled. Then the operator releases the canvas from the stretching system. Then make sure that the canvas is nice and taut and perfectly pressured on the frame. And then to create a better look, we cut the corner edges off the back of the canvas. The operator once again checks to make sure the canvas is perfectly stretched and holding. Next, back onto the stretching system, the operator recloses the canvas back into the two pneumatic bars, then finishes up the canvas by doing a side staple at each one of the cuts he just previously made. This creates a nice aesthetic look at the back of the canvas. Next, the operator mounts the mounting hardware so it ships ready to be hung immediately. Then, the operator makes sure that the hanging hardware is mounted dead center of the frame. Then, using 100 gauge plastic, the operator shrink wraps the canvas to protect it during shipping and transportation. Then finally, every canvas gets 4 heavy-duty corrugated corner protectors to protect it even further. Order your professionally made canvas at canvasprints.com today.